And tomorrow's topic will be dative cases and dative prepositions. We will be learning what are dative cases basically, how do we identify them in sentences, how do we use them in sentences, and what are the dative prepositions. So today and tomorrow, this would be the main focus for us. I am sharing my screen with you all. Okay, so before we understand what dative cases are, let me just revise again what nominative and accusative cases are. So nominative cases, as we already know, is the who case in a sentence. Who is he? Where is air? So when there is only one subject in a sentence, that is our nominative case. And whenever there is any is in any sentence, that whole sentence is nominative sentence. So nominative is our who case, the subject. Then accusative is our what case, the object, the first object. Basically, I'm repeating it, the first object in a sentence is our accusative case, where we can question what. For example, ich kaufe ein Buch. So here ich is nominative, we all know, and then ein Buch is accusative. So nominative is who is buying a book, and accusative, what am I buying? I am buying a book. So ich nominative, book accusative. Then if we talk about dative case, this is the second object in a sentence. So accusative is our first object in a sentence, but dative is our second object in a sentence. This is also known as the lazy case, which is being impacted indirectly in a sentence. Now, how do we see the dative case in a sentence? Let me give you an example for that. So dative is basically to whom something is being done or for whom something is being done. Let's say I am buying a gift for you, or I am buying you a gift. So in this particular sentence, we have I, which is nominative, we have gift, what is being bought, a gift, so this is accusative, and for whom I am buying the gift or to whom I am giving the gift is you. So you here will be our dative case. Because for you, the thing is being done. For you, I am buying the book. Same in this sentence. It's just a one and the same thing. It's just I've written it in a different manner here. Now, if I write this sentence in
Ma'am,
German,
is it object complementary, ma'am?
object complementary as in
Uh, like what we read in English, ma'am. Whenever we have to complement object for specific thing, so we just add on something about object, ma'am.
no, not like that. So understand it in a way that it will be to whom or for whom something is being done,
Okay.
right? So and not complementing, it might create confusion. How to identify dative? Just think it in a way as of now, to whom or for whom something is being done, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. So see the sentence now. Ich kaufe dir den Tisch. So this means I am buying you a table. So who is buying a table? I am buying a table. So ish is nominative here. Then what am I buying? I am buying a table. So Tish is accusative here. What am I buying? And for whom or to whom I am buying the table? Dear. Dear is you in dative. Like how these pronouns get impacted in dative. We'll work on that. So dear is a dative case basically of do. So ich kaufe dir, to you I am buying a table, or for you I am buying a table. So you is a dative case here. Similarly, some more examples. Er gibt, let me increase it the size. Hmm. So er gibt mir ein Geschenk. See the sentence? He is giving me a gift. So who is giving me the gift? He. So er is nominative. And what is he giving me? A gift. So Geschenk is accusative. And to whom is he giving a gift? To me is he is giving a gift to me. So me would be dative. So this mir is a dative form of ish. So ish, mish, mir. I'll show you the table for that. So mir here is our dative case. Now let's understand with the same example all these three cases. Okay. So does this time, Angie, could you please put yourself on mute, please? Thank you. So, das ist ein Geschenk, this first sentence. That is a gift. So, this whole sentence is nominative. This is a gift. We are talking about gift only. Neither of any first person is there or second person is there. It's just a gift is there. So, this is a nominative sentence. Geschenk here is nominative. Now, in another example, ich kaufe ein Geschenk. So here we have subject ich and then we have object ein Geschenk, a gift. So we have subject here which is nominative and then here Geschenk becomes accusative. But here in sentence number 3, ich gebe dir ein Geschenk. I am giving you a gift. So ich here will be nominative. Then einen Tisch will be here accusative. What am I giving? A table. But dir will be dative. To whom I am giving the table or a gift? To you. So ich nominative. Dir is dative. To whom I am doing something or for whom I am doing something. So that second object, that second person will be dative. That is you here, dir. Then einen Tisch is again accusative. What am I buying or what am I giving? So, is it clear what is basically nominative in a sentence, what is basically accusative in a sentence, and how can we identify dative in a sentence? Any questions so far, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Rachel, Angie?
No. The dative is the one who's benefiting, right?
Right. To whom or for whom something is being done. Right. Now, there are different sections which we are going to see in this whole sheet, how things, basically how definite articles, indefinite articles, and then how the pronouns or personal pronouns get impacted by dative case. Let's see the table here. So this first yellow highlighted table is for nominative, then this pink highlighted is for accusative, and then this blue highlighted is for dative. So this is masculine, feminine, and neutral. Um, this is a definite article table, and this is indefinite article table here. So we all know there, he, das, and the for nominative case. Then there changes to den in accusative case, and then the, das, and the remains same. But now, if we talk about dative, there and das, masculine and neutral changes to them. So R here changes to M. There, then, them. Masculine and neutral are changing to them. Feminine, the changes to their. And then plural changes to them. So them, their, and them. Masculine, neutral, feminine, and plural. Them, their, and them. Similarly, with indefinite articles, that would become einem, we, them. Then again einem for neutral, we, them. Einer, we there here, and then den, kainen. So here the trick is you just need to learn the endings in dative. To master the dative section, you just need to learn the endings, like where to put m, where to put r, again where to put m, or where to put n. So that is going to work in a similar manner for definite articles and indefinite articles, and along with the personal pronouns. So my name, minen, thiner, thinen. So it's just the endings which you have to learn. Now let's see some examples here. I know that. So okay, before we see some examples here, can you guys read these sentences one by one? Rajvi, Rachel, and NG. We'll go the circle. We'll follow the circle this way. Rajvi, Rachel, and NG. Rajvi, can you read this first
Yeah,
sentence?
yeah. Ich gebe dir Frau ein Buch, then einen Stift dir. Next also, ma'am. Hello,
Hello. Yes, I
hello.
was on mute. Sorry. So, Rajbir, in this sentence, can you tell us what is nominative, what is accusative, and
Uh,
what is dative?
Ma'am, is nominative.
Hmm.
Ein Buch is accusative.
Yes, ein Buch or
Uh,
einen Stift.
einen Stift or ein Buch, that is accusative. Der is dative, ma'am.
What there?
Der
Frau,
Frau.
Frau is dative. Not there, Frau. Frau is dative. Since it's dative, that is why we have kept it there. So now, just see this. Frau is the Frau. We all know that, right? And since Frau here is a dative case, so the will change to, the will change to there from here. So that is why for Frau we have kept there here. Let's say if I would have written Ich gebe in book. So here, if I am giving, if let's say the same sentence, same thing, if there had been a man instead of Frau, then what I would have written, ich gebe dem Mann
Them.
ein Buch, because here man is their man, so there will change to them in dative case.
Ma'am, dare them, then these word are dative case or that Frau or man is dative case, ma'am.
So Frau and Man, they are dative cases. These are just there and them. These are just dative definite articles. They are not the dative cases. They are the
Okay.
articles in dative.
Article in dative case, ma'am.
Yes, this is not an object, na. A man on a person or anything can be your object, first object, second object, right? So article cannot
Okay.
be an object.
Got it.
Now, Rachel, your turn. This sentence.
Schenk mir
Hmm.
ein,
Ein Buch.
yeah,
So this means he is giving me or he is gifting me a book. Schenken basically to gift or to present. Mir is me, to me. So can you tell us what would be the nominative, accusative, and dative in these sentences?
there is nominative,
Hmm.
ein book is the accusative, and mir is the dative.
Sehr schön. Now, Angie, your turn.
Ich habe das dem Mann schon gesagt.
Hmm. So this sentence means I have already told
Told
that
him
the man. I have already told the man that thing. So that is like something which you have told him already. So can you tell us what would be the nominative, accusative, and dative here?
The nominative is the ich,
Hmm.
and uh, the what is this? Dative is the man,
Hmm.
and
So what have you told
that
the man already? That
that
something.
that does.
Yes.
Yes,
So
that
that
is
is
the nominative.
accusative.
Accusative.
Right. Now, before we proceed further, one thing I'm not sure if I told you that previously. So see this note first, and while I'm explaining this, please note it down in your notebook side by side. So whenever das isn't placed immediately before any noun, it would mean that. So das, it is also a article which we use for neutral, and thus also means that. But how we are going to identify if thus means that or thus means an article? So whenever thus is not placed immediately before any noun, then it would mean that. We zum Beispiel here, before man, we have placed the article, dative article, and then so this das is not placed immediately before man. So this means that here. But whenever das is placed immediately before any noun, then it would mean das as an article. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Please note it down before we proceed further. Geschrieben?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the fourth sentence. Can you read that, Rajveer?
Wir kaufen unsere Mutter
Hmm.
ein Geschenk.
Ein Geschenk.
Geschenk.
Hmm. So
So
tell me
where
why.
is nominative?
Good.
Ein Geschenk is accusative.
Hmm.
And Mutter is dative.
Right. Mutter is dative. So
Dative.
Mutter is the Mutter, right?
Die Mutter. Yes.
And unser means, what is the means of
Our
unser?
our
Our.
our.
Yes. So Mutter is the Mutter. And since Mutter is dative case, the will change to there, as we have learned from this table. So the will
Yes.
change to there. So
There.
unser plus der will become
Der Mutter.
unserer Mutter.
Unsere
So
Mutter.
either you can write wir kaufen der Mutter ein Geschenk. We are buying a gift for the mother. But if you want to write our mother, so you cannot just write unser Mutter, but you will have to write unser plus der Mutter. That will be unserer Mutter. If you would have given something for your father, you would have written wir kaufen unserem Vater. Unser plus dem, because Vater is their Vater, and that will change to dem in dative case. So unserem Vater. Ein
Yes,
Geschenk. Is it clear?
clear.
Okay, sure. Now, before we proceed further, I want you all to note down this table in your copy. Write down the whole table, nominative, accusative, and dative, for definite cases also and for indefinite cases also.
It will be available in class notes.
Yes, it will be there, but just note
Okay,
it
okay.
down. So,
I'm just confirming. I'm
okay.
writing.
Yes, the whole sheet will be there in the Google Drive. Don't worry on that.
Okay.
Geschrieben.
Done. Gemacht.
Remark.
Angie, gemacht.
Gemacht.
Okay. Mm, 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 mm. So, before we proceed further, like we have written these sentences, is it possible for you guys to write just one example using the dative case in a sentence? Just one sentence, not more than one. And use these definite or indefinite dative articles in the sentence.
Ma'am, in case of neutral, this will convert into dem, dem.
Right.
Okay. Uh, can it be like this? Is habe?
Hmm.
Is habe dem?
Hmm.
Auto,
Hmm.
Furji.
Mm, no, because uh, okay, I'm just writing it in another page. Angie, Rachel, you don't need this page as of now, right?
No, no, it's okay.
So now, just see here, Rajveer, guys. You can also pay attention, Angie and Rachel. So you have written ish,
Habe,
habe, dem, auto, furzi.
Furji. Hmm.
So now, first thing first, I'm so sorry. So here, first thing first, you see you have used pure here. So, so this, where is the dative here? So are you considering auto as dative? So what is dative here?
Obviously, auto. Ma'am.
No, why auto? This is not for whom or to whom. Z here cannot be again dative because you have used pure already here for you, which is an accusative preposition.
Hmm.
Then, so this is not there. We don't have any dative case. If you want to written this like this, like I have a auto for you, mm, or I am buying a car for you. So ich kaufe Ihnen das Auto. This Z has turned into Ihnen. This pronoun has turned into Ihnen. We'll see the table for this also, how pronouns gets changed. But here in this sentence, we can't use it like this. So it would be Ich habe das Auto für Sie. So here für Sie for you also will be accusative because you have used für as an accusative preposition, and then auto
Yes.
will also like the accusative case. So here we don't have any dative in this sentence, but in this sentence we have ihnen as a dative, you, and thus auto will be accusative and ish will be nominative.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Now,
Yes.
Angie, Rachel, tell me your sentences.
Ich gebe der Frau das Buch.
Sehr schön. Ich gebe der Frau. So here I am giving a book to the female. So this female will be dative case, to whom I am giving the book or for whom I have the book. So this is richtig. Der Frau, this is dative, book, accusative, and ish, nominative. Angie, what is your sentence?
Mm. Ich sehe mit dir der Film
Ich sehe, ich sehe,
mit, I don't know, dir,
hm,
dir,
yes,
der Film,
der film. What is the article for film?
uh, masculine,
Did you use any translator for that?
no,
Okay, then it is correct, but some corrections required here. Film, as we all know, is their film. So, their film is masculine and film is accusative case here. So, den Film. There will change to dena in accusative. So, ich sehe mit dir den Film. Oder ich sehe den Film mit dir. Ich sehe den Film mit dir. And now it's not necessary that you will put dative in the middle of the sentence only. No, it can be at the end of the sentence also and in the beginning of the sentence also. It's just you need to understand, you should be able to question who, what, and to whom. So position can be anything. Clear?
Ma'am, could you repeat this second sentence again? Is Gibe dear?
Hmm?
What Rachel has done? Is Gibe
They
dear forgot this?
spoke. So what is the meaning of the sentence? Tell me that first.
I give a book to a lady.
Yes. So to whom you are giving the book? To the lady, right? So the lady will be Dativ case and lady is die Frau. So die will change to der. So ich gebe
Ma'am,
der.
we need to put that word to whom in between, ma'am, in any sentence.
No, it's not necessary. That's what I'm saying. Now, it's not necessary that you will put nominative at first and dative then in between and at the end you will put accusative. Since these are very small sentences, the structure is by default this way. But if you're writing any other sentence, it's not necessary that it should be nominative and then dative in the middle and then accusative at the end. It can be anything. Like I have written it here also. So then film, this is accusative. I have placed it in between and then dative I replaced it to the end. Let me show you some more sentences for that. Then it will be more clear. Uh, so see, like here. So this is an English example. Basically, either you can write I am buying a chew toy for my dog, or you can simply write for my dog I am buying a chew toy.
Okay.
So this is like dative we have placed in the first sentence and then the accusative and then the nominative and then the accusative,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
right? And then similarly here also the realtor sold the house to us. So the realtor is nominative, who sold the house, what he has sold, and then to whom he has sold it, to us. Now we'll read these sentences, but before I want you to show one more table. This is this one. So this table is for pronouns in nominative, accusative and dative. Nominative and accusative we have learned already. But now let's see how they act in dative case. So I'm just reading the whole table and then in case of any confusion you can just let me know. There is nothing much to explain in that table. It's just you have to understand the concept and you have to learn the table. So I is like ish, I, mish and mir. I, me and to me. Nominative, accusative and dative. Do, this and dear. You and then to you or for you, dear. Similarly for he, er, he, in, him and then im, to him. He, him and to him. Er, in, im. Then for z, we have z and ear. S and im. Now, if you see these three highlighted categories, basically he, she, it, you will be easily able to relate these three pronouns with this table, masculine, feminine and neutral, because the ending is same. So, im like we them and then again im for neutral we them and then for feminine ear we dare. So m and r. So this is something you can how you can like relate these two tables and learn. Now if you talk about we, then wir, uns and uns, ihr, euch and euch, sie, ihnen with small I, for they, sie with small s, and then sie und ihnen. So ihnen with capital I, with capital I, be here, sie with capital S. So now here, if you guys can see, wir and ear remains same, uns, and then z and z are changing. They are also like same, ihnen and ihnen. It's just the difference of small I and capital I. So the table is very simple to learn. It's just you have to understand where and how you have to use it. Now, before we proceed further, where you have written this table, just below this table, note down, make a note of this table too. Then we'll see some more examples. Any questions and related to this pronoun table? Anyone?
No.
Okay. Make sure to write for nominative and accusative also along with dative. Let me know once done. Done, everyone?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, okay, now. So here I have some quick exercises for you guys. So let's see this section first, this yellow highlighted. Here we have some blanks which we have to fill in as per the dative pronoun cases, the table which you have just written. The English meaning has written in the bracket already. You have to understand the meaning of this and you have to write the pronoun in dative accordingly. So again, let's follow the same circle. Rajveer, racial and NG. So, Rajbir, can you read the first sentence for us? Rajbir, you're not audible.
Yeah, I was on my phone. Okay. Ich kaufe das ein Buch zum Geburtstag.
Hmm. So you
Uh,
here, either you can write it in an informal way or you can write it in a formal way. So tell us what should be the correct answer for blank here for you.
do.
This is dative, Rajveer. You are
Okay.
I am buying for you a book,
Dear. Uh,
dear.
dear.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. Dear.
Dear, or if you're writing it in a formal way, then what should be the correct option here? Dear.
Ihnen.
Hmm. Ihnen with capital I or small I?
Capital man.
Ich kaufe dir oder Ihnen ein Buch zum Geburtstag. So I am buying a book for you on birthday. Zum Geburtstag as in on birthday. Then next sentence, Rachel, your turn.
Ma'am, the word shum is used for two. Your
Yes.
own.
So this is basically a dative preposition which we would be learning.
Okay.
Zu plus dem zum Geburtstag. Second sentence.
Hast du das einen Kuchen gebacken
Hmm.
soll?
Hmm.
Hast du mir
Mia, sehr schön. And in this sentence, for her, what should we write?
ihre, ihr,
With small I. So,
Molly,
hast du mir einen Kuchen gebacken? Have you baked a cake for me? Or hast du ihr einen Kuchen gebacken? Have you baked a cake for her? Einen Kuchen, their Kuchen. So that is why einen. Nummer 3. Angie, your turn.
Okay, okay. Wir sagen Ihnen,
You all. You all.
you all, you all, ah, euch,
Euch.
euch.
Wir sagen euch die Wahrheit. So we
Yeah.
are telling you all the truth. Or if let's say you have to write, we are telling him the truth. So for him, what will you write?
For him,
Him.
him,
Ihm.
him, him.
Not ihm. So ihm. Him. Then number 4. Again, Rajveer, your turn.
Er hat, er hat,
Hat. Hat.
er hat,
Hmm.
that is ear den Ring gegeben.
Den Ring gegeben.
Gegeben.
Er hat ihr, he has
Ear
given her the
given
ring.
her ring.
Hmm. Now, first thing first, don't get confused why gebacken, why gegeben. These are basically present perfect tenses, which is another topic we are going to learn after a few classes. Okay.
Okay.
Now, second thing, Rajveer, can you tell me if we have written den ring here? So, what is the actual nominative article for ring? Is it masculine or feminine or neutral? Den ring.
That is for feminine, ma'am.
Why feminine? Why ring is feminine? We have written den ring now.
No, though it is used for masculine, ma'am, but he's giving her.
No. I'm asking for ring. So this is correct. Dative case should be ear. I'm just asking ring
Okay.
is masculine, feminine, or neutral.
That is neutral.
Why neutral? Den ring na Rajveer. This is accusative. So there has changed to den.
Okay, you are asking like this. Okay, okay.
Right.
I got something different.
Okay. No problem. Next sentence.
kann
Re-
ich
Hmm.
Kann ich das eine Tasse Kaffee bringen?
Hmm?
Kann ich Ihnen eine Tasse Kaffee bringen?
Yes. So Ihnen in a formal way. If you have to write it in an informal way, then
It's dear.
yes. Kann ich dir eine Tasse Kaffee bringen? Can I bring you a cup of coffee? Eine Tasse Kaffee, a cup of coffee. Now, in this second segment, which I am highlighting with gray, now what you have to do here, you have to just put the dative endings as per the blank, like mine, and then there is blank, d, then there is a blank, then here same. So here you have to put the dative endings. Basically I'm doing one sentence for you. So ich kaufe meinem Vater eine Krawatte zum Geburtstag. I am buying a tie for my father on birthday. So my name Vater, mine plus dem Vater, my name Vater. Similarly, you have to put these articles like definite or indefinite articles as per dative cases. Now let's read again. Angie, now this time your turn.
Okay. Die Studenten sagen uh, dem, der,
Mhm. Der
der
Lehrer.
Lehrerin die Antworten.
Yes. And what does this mean? What is the meaning of this sentence?
The student say
Hmm.
their answer to the teacher.
The answers to the teacher. Yes. There shown. Next, Rajveer, your turn.
Um, that is
There,
can't do.
there are two blanks here in this sentence.
Can't no. That is just a minute. Can't do then. Uh, man, Jain. That is BT. I don't
Can't,
know about second one. Uh, Supe bringen bitte.
Designer.
no, that is actually done already. That was Zaina only. Zupa is the
Okay.
Zupa. Zupa is the Zupa. So it would be Zaina only. I forgot to remove E from here. So that was
Okay.
Zaina. But what did you give me? What did you answer for this particular blank?
Mm, just remove your cursor. Then
See the table, Rajveer. Dative case, man, masculine. How
okay.
will it change to? Dem man. Kannst du dem Mann seine Suppe bringen, bitte? Could you please
That day.
bring to the man
Okay.
his
Them.
soup? Dem. To whom
Them
we are bringing the soup? To the man, right? So
to the
dem
man.
man. Next sentence.
Uh,
Wir kaufen den Kind ein Eis.
Ice means ice cream. So
Okay.
are buying an ice cream to or for the children. Rajbir, were you asking something?
ma'am, about that word giant, ma'am. What does it mean? S
His,
S
his, his, his.
fear, fear. Number fear. Ma'am. Man giant.
This one, right? Seine
Yes.
Suppe. His soup. Sein, his. Possessive pronoun na. He turned to his. Er turned to sein.
Hmm. Good.
Then this sentence. Angie, again your turn.
Ay, okay. Morgan, what is why nak Geschenke?
Weihnacht So Weihnacht that means Christmas and Geschenk that means gift. So Christmas gift.
Okay. Okay. Morgen gebe ich meinen Freunden die Weihnachtsgeschenke.
Geschenke. Super.
Geschenke.
So you didn't miss this plural section this time. You gave the answer correctly. Very nice, Angie.
Hmm.
Okay. So meinen Freunde. Since this is plural, so the plural which changed to den. Mein plus den, meinen. Morgen gebe ich meinen Freunde die Weihnachtsgeschenke. So tomorrow or or morning, I am giving my friends the Christmas presents. Any
Ma'am,
confusion?
ma'am, where to actually practice about that minen and all? Where it is given exactly, ma'am? Where to practice?
I'll give you one link from there. You can like practice these all the dative cases.
Okay. Otherwise, it will be very typical task to do, especially today. There are a lot of table.
Yes, yes, that's why I'm not covering the whole sheet in one day because there are prepositions also, which is going to be very confusing. So for today, I am leaving this thing as it is. For now, no homework. Whatever your homework will be, I'll just after this class, I'm just placing this sheet in Google Drive. A2 dative cases. Just go through these sentences again and try to like let all the meanings, all the dative endings sink into your mind. Try to understand how they are changing as per the cases. And while you do that, don't just pay attention to the dative cases, but the overall sentence structure, the accusative case, how we have conjugated the verb or how we have placed the verb. So while doing any example, don't just focus on that particular task only, but try to extend the exercise and read through the whole sentence and understand the structure construction of the whole sentence. Why? If you do that, then only you will be able to do more than the regular thing, more than the regular practice, because the more
Uh,
you will be practicing or reading, the more you will be learning.
Recorded will be available, ma'am, after the class.
Okay, I'll put it like by 10 o'clock or something.
Okay, that's not an issue. But today's class is much more important, ma'am.
Yes, I'll upload it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Rachel, any questions?
It's
Fine.
okay.
Okay, then tomorrow we'll proceed further with the dative prepositions. So tomorrow we'll learn what all prepositions we have and how do we use them in sentences. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
bits is shown. Take care, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Bis morgen.